Pragmatic guys.
Mga pinakakusgan, walay katsa, hilisog ng mga members of DOSJ.
This plaque of appreciation is presented to these people in front of me. Deserves to formally recognize their steadfast dedication and selfless commitment in fulfilling their responsibilities as officers of the association for the year 2025. Given this 23rd of November 2025 during the 50th year anniversary of the association. Thank you so much and congratulations guys.
Yes, thank you so much to our officers, the 2025 officers of DOSJ.